Hello everyone, this is Jasmine and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to create our first component. Components are the basic building block of an Angular application. They control different parts of a web page called views. So, views are responsible for the presentation logic of an Angular application and are organized in an hierarchical tree of components that interact with each other. This is how they look. The architecture of an Angular application is based on Angular components. Each Angular component can communicate and interact with one or more components in the component tree. Now, in this diagram, as we can see, a component can be a parent of some child components and a child of another parent component. A typical Angular application contains at least a main component that consists of multiple files. Now let's start by creating a component. So this is the continuation of a previous part. So I would recommend you to, if you have not seen the part 1, please see the part 1. We have created in the part 1 a module. Now we will create a component for it. Now open the terminal and write the code ng g for generate component. Since we want to create component in our products module, so we will write first the module name / component name. So it would be product-list. Now the component is created. Let's execute the code. Ng serve. So here you can see our project is executed and this is the local URL on which our project will be running. So here you can see our default page. This is because we have registered the component but we have not added it in our app module. So let's do it. Now we need to make sure that the product list component is added in the products module. So we need to make sure that there is an import statement and the declaration, there is a name of that product list component, and this product module has been exported. The most important thing is that Angular component must be registered to only one Angular module, not more than that. Now we need to load the component. To load a component we have created, so that is the product list component, we need to add its selector inside the HTML template. So open app.component.html, remove this written code, and all we need to add is the component app-product. Now let's open the product list component.html, and here there's a tag product list works. Let's execute this and check. Ng serve. So this was built successfully and we can see the URL. Let's open the page. Here we can see the product list works. We learn to create a module and a component. In the future videos we'll learn more about Angular. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.